Welcome back, guys. So, in our series of PostgreSQL backup and restore, we are going to talk about how we take the backup using in Windows using tar. Okay, so let's start. With tar, we can take the full backup. Like first, you need to. This is a file level file system backup, and for this, first you need to stop the Postgres cluster, and then you can uh, take the backup of whole data directory of PostgreSQL using this command tar hyphen these are the parameters cvzf and then location of where you want to take the backup and the location of your data directory. Okay, so let's go and see how we take the backup of this. Okay, so I'm inside Postgres cluster. Let me clear it. So let me see if Postgres cluster is running or not. So it is not running. So yes, we can take the backup. So I want to take the backup here. I have created this folder for that and want to take the backup using tar. Okay, so Postgres cluster is stopped. So we can take the file system backup that you can also call as physical backup. cvzf and then location and then bkp.tar the file name. Okay, and then the location of our data directory for which the data directory is at c program files PostgreSQL data directory. Okay, Postgres version data. So for data directory we want to take the backup. Okay, here. So this and okay, see this file is getting created here on the location. We are seeing that's still running. This will copy all the files for data directory. Right now we are copying the base, then this file, then files under this. Okay, that will copy all the data directory files. This will take few minutes maybe depending on the size of your database, but it will save a lot of your data space because tar file is taking less space as compared to what we have over our database, the normal files. Okay, so you see this is completed and this is the size of our file 58 MB, which is very much less as we compare to this data directory. If we check the data directory size that I already got here, you see this is 525 MB and we got it here in just 58 MB. So this saves a lot of your space, and this is how you take the physical backup, or you can call file system backup, or uh, consistent backup, as our database is stopped and you took the backup of your data directory. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'll be seeing you in the next video where we are taking the backup using pg based backup utility. So thank you, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks.